Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Maheiii. In today's session, we are going to be learning about a tool that we all use finance, something that needs to be used wisely. To learn how, let's get into the video.
Welcome to Basics of Financial Literacy. Let us start off by defining what finance is. Financial literacy means understanding how to make money wisely. It helps us make smart decisions about earning, saving, spending, and investing. Why is financial literacy important? Financial literacy helps us avoid debt and financial stress, encourages saving for the future needs, builds financial independence, prevents scams, and bad financial choices. Now, here are some ways to earn money. Let us start off by understanding what is income. Income is the money you earn from different sources. It can come from pocket money or allowance given by your parents, part-time jobs or freelancing like babysitting, tutoring, designing, content creation, etc. Selling products or services like selling handmade crafts, reselling books, or monetizing a YouTube channel. With the income, it's very important for us to understand how to control our money, which is also termed as budgeting. A budget is a plan that helps us manage money by tracking what we earned and what we're spending it on. Here's a basic budget formula. Income minus expenses is equal to savings. Now, to understand the difference between needs and wants, needs are things necessary for survival, like food, water, shelter, education, etc. While wants are things that are nice to have but not essential, like expensive shoes, new phone, etc. It's important to spend your money wisely, make a budget, and understand the difference between needs and wants and when and how to spend your money. Number 4. Saving money for the future. Why shall one save money? For emergency cases, for future goals, and to avoid debt. We can save our money in a piggy bank for small savings or in a bank savings account for safety as well as interest, or a digital wallet or UPI saving apps. Now, how can one spend money wisely? Start off by comparing prices before buying. Avoid impulse buying and use discounts and cashbacks offers. It's important to track your spending to see where your money goes. Once you are aware with how, where, and when to spend money, it's important to understand that debt and loans. What is debt? Debt is money borrowed that must be repaid, usually with interest. Now, here's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt includes educational loans, business loans, which is investment for the future, while bad debt includes credit taken for unnecessary expenses that don't pay you back. Investing. Investing means putting money into something that can increase in value over time. It basically means growing your money. Here are some basic investment options for beginners. Number 1. FDs, fixed deposits. They are safe but low returns. Number 2. Stocks, high returns, high risk. Number 3. Mutual funds, medium risk, professional management. It's important to educate yourself before investing your money. Last but not the least, avoiding scams and financial mistakes. Here are some common money scams to avoid, like online frauds, providing fake job offers or emails, fake investment plans, or illegal money lenders. To conclude, budgeting helps us control our money. and saving is essential for the future. It's important for us to spend money wisely while differentiating between needs and wants, to avoid unnecessary debt and be careful of scams, and to remember that investing can grow wealth over time.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. And remember that money is a tool. Use it wisely and it will work for you. Thagachari.